Folks, you can't make it up, right? Well, some say you can, some say you can't. But anyway, have this air filter problem that I was trying to check out. And it turns out that they couldn't find an air filter. So went and checked it out, and this is what I found. Come check out what I found. Holy cow. If you thought something was up, then you won't believe what they used as an air filter. Got this fine beast of a car here. 2011 Ford Edge. Couldn't find an air filter for it. So I said, oh, I'll check it out. So we're going to check it out and see what they did. But folks, look at this. What does this tell you? What the heck is all this? What's going on? Let's check it out. I cannot believe this. This has to be a shock. Holy cow. It looks like a adult diaper. An adult diaper. Holy cow. Check it out. Just when you want to be amazed. I wonder if it's used. Oh Lord. Anyway, yeah. Use the right air filter, folks. Never underestimate the ingenuity of people. Hope you enjoyed this. By the way, this is all made up. Like, subscribe, join MACTFORDEDGE, and of course, the truth can be stranger than fiction. Remember, like, subscribe, join. Yep, said that before. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got some great music. Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you. And Facebook, MeWe, MACTFORDEDGE. See y'all later. Just thought I'd give you all a good look at what a 5-year-old air filter or 6-year-old air filter looks like. I do have a new one coming. It is an AEM dry flow air filter that I had in another Edge that has 200,000 miles on it. This one's got about 50,000 miles on it. I don't know if it's a Fram or a Motorcraft or whatever it is. But yeah, we're going to put a new air filter in it. And I do have my AEM airflow filter minder. So apparently this filter's still flowing. Folks, anytime you have a traction control type system come on after you've been working on your air intake, some things you want to check. This save you a lot of time and effort if you forget to plug this in, which I tend to do on a fairly frequent basis. Make sure these are tight right here because that affects airflow. And when you change it, make sure you plug in your mass airflow sensor again and lock the tab. There you go. Because that will set off a whole lot of traction control issues if you don't plug it in. It'll run like garbage and you'll think you have all sorts of other problems when all it is the mass airflow sensor. So, tip for the day, whatever you do, make sure you do that.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.